Earthlings, I decided that I would start this video out with my makeup on. This will be a first impressions TJ Maxx, Marshalls, high-end, and drugstore beauty haul. I just didn't want to scare people away like I did in my last first impressions where I showed up on the camera and was just like, oh, zombie! So I did a lot of shopping at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, obviously. I got some good drugstore stuff. I got some good high-end stuff. Yeah, so if you want to see that, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, now first, because I have perpetually dry lips, let's start with this Milani Moisture Lock Grapeseed Oil Infused Lip Treatment. I paid $2.99 for this at Marshalls. It is on the Milani website for $8. And like the texture of it is so weird. It's like jelly in there. But it smells good. And it feels really nice too. Like you can tell that it's nourishing. Okay, now we're going to move on to this Pure Correcting Primer, Illuminate and Glow. I don't usually go for illuminating primers, but whatever. This was $9.99. What I like about it is that it's sealed. It has a little plastic seal on it, so I know no one's touched it. I don't know what to expect with this. Yes, I paid $9.99 for this, and on the Pure website, it's still on there, but it's on sale. It's like a nude, fleshy color. You can definitely tell that it's going to be illuminating. So let's illuminate all of my texture. It feels nice. I'll give it that. It's just not exactly my cup of tea, I don't think. Doesn't really smell like anything. As you can see, I'm very shiny now. If you didn't see all my zits before, you can see them now. So I applied the new IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream Oil-Free Matte Foundation over the illuminating primer, and I felt like it did kind of shine through a little bit through the matte foundation, but then once I powdered down, it was kind of back to normal, which is how I prefer anyway. I don't like illuminating products so much, but I mean, it does kind of balance it out if I'm gonna pile matte stuff on top. I don't know. So next we have this Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in the shade On Location. I got this from Marshalls for $7.99. These are still available on Ulta for, I want to say, $22. They had, I think, one other shade when I was there. I just thought this one was really pretty. And the whole case, it looks like a little, like, camera lens type thing. I don't know. Me no know. So I'm going to play around with this. I'm going to try to use just those 3 shades to do an eye look. And I found these Real Techniques Your Eyes Enhanced Eyelining Set Collector's Edition. I looked all over the internet to see if I could find this specific set anywhere, and it was out of different places like eBay, Amazon, here and there for just completely random prices. So it's been discontinued. Obviously, it was limited edition, collector's edition, and I paid $5.99 for this, which isn't bad for 4 eye pencils and a cute little pouch. Very minute. There's a itty bitty. Let's get up close and personal. Okay, so I packed the the bronzy shade called the Gold Sunnies on the outer corner and underneath the lower lash line. And then all of the teals I did, obviously they're on my lids, and then the shade Pool Boy, the white shade, I did a little bit in the inner corner and then right underneath the brow bone, and I used a few of the brushes for that. I used this kind of smudgy brush, smudge brush to do under the eye. I used the pointed liner brush to do the highlighting, and then I used this angled brush to kind of just get into the little area right above my lashes where my finger wasn't quite doing the job. And then I just ran a little bit of the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer into the crease because that little palette obviously didn't have any mattes. But we're not done with the eyes yet because I also found this Pur Quick Pro Glitters. This is a little like limited edition gift set, probably came out around Christmas time. It was originally $39. It's a $93 value. They do still have this on the website, but it is on sale. I only paid $10.99 for this at TJ Maxx. And like the other Pure products that I got, it was still sealed and everything. So this comes with 5 little like liquid metal glitters. Let's pop them all out. I want to put at least one of these somewhere on the eye. I kind of wish that I would have done the teal on the outer corner and the bronze on the lid. Then I could put one of the bronzy shades on there, but well, you live and you learn now, don't you? Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch these little fellas. They're so cute. All right, let's start with this one. This is in the shade Namaste. So cute. Kind of looks like a coppery rose gold type color. It just has this little plastic applicator. Let's see. Ooh. These kind of remind me of the Stila ones. Kind of. This shade is Queenie. It looks kind of like a yellowy gold, kind of like a snow color. I don't know why it reminds me of snow. It's yellow. We have OMG, which is more of like a bronzy shade. These are really pretty. We have Midnight Diamond. That looks kind of like a gunmetal. This is the only one I've noticed that looks like the texture might be a little bit different than it was supposed to be. Let's see. Interesting. Not bad, actually. And then this last one is like a reddish rust color. It's the shade Lust. I love colors like this. Ooh, pretty. So I think I'm just gonna take, let's take one of them and pop it on the inner corner. I'm gonna take the lightest one, Queenie. I'm gonna put it on the inner corner. I think I like these. These are cool. Look at that. That just brought the whole look to life. I'm definitely gonna play with those more. Those are sweet. All right, but let's wipe them off before I get them all over my clothes. Oh, those are so pretty. Those are so nice. I'm so glad I found that. They only had one of those there. I'm gonna pop on some mascara and I will be right back. I have one thing left. Technically, it's 3 things because it's another Pure set. This is the 3rd Pure item. This is a Quick Pro Lips 3-piece set. This was only $7.99. This is also still available on the Pure website and it is on sale. So it comes with a full-size lipstick, lip liner, and lip gloss. So we'll go ahead and start with the lip liner and line my non-existent lips. And this was also sealed and untouched, which is what I love in my Marshalls and TJ Maxx makeup. right, I really like that lip liner. Now we will move on to the lipstick. I'm really not a big fan of stick lipsticks. I mean, they're okay, they're just not my favorite. But look, I had such a hard time trying to figure out how to open this. I still don't think I know how. Oh, there we go. There we go. It has a built-in mirror. Let's see if I can use that to apply this. It's actually a really nice mirror. Wow. It's a quite creamy formula. Just a good old-fashioned nude. Now the best part. This I was not expecting. Like, I was so excited the first time I opened it because I did swatch these myself. This is my first time actually trying them though. This, okay, not only does this lip gloss have a mirror, right? Look. It has a built-in light. A built-in light so that you can put the lip gloss on wherever you are. Okay, that kind of hurts my eyes when it's going straight up at me like that, but this is the coolest lip gloss in the world. So freaking cool. Alright, well that's it for this video. This is everything I got from my TJ Maxx and Marshall's endeavor this go round. I am really impressed with everything that I got. All of the Pure stuff like blows me away. I can't say that this is my favorite just because I don't usually use illuminating primers, but it's definitely good. This Smashbox palette, while the colors are really pretty, I feel like it's so-so. It's so-so. Not bad for $7.99 while they're still on the Ulta website for 22 bucks. So I'm not going to complain about that. I do like the colors. Everything I loved. I loved these little guys. These are going to be fun. Fun. And I don't know if you can get a little glimpsey right over there, but I actually have more stuff that I recently got. Yeah. But I'm breaking them up into the actual trips that I took. So everything that was in this video right now was my first trip, like last weekend, and then the stuff that's on my bed over there is my stuff from this weekend. Just so much going on. All right, well, have a good day. Bye.